Presently, one of the most moving digital currencies, FILECOIN explicitly is again picking the speed and drawing in a lot of brokers, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Before we start about FIL price prediction, we need to understand what the FILECOIN project is. Consequently, essentially further in this video, you will learn about FILECOIN and its future figure. FILECOIN is a computerized guide that was made with the really primary point of blockchain established information capacity and recovery, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The tremendous trade of information across the world happens on various servers, and the trading of data totally relies upon the information introduced. In any case, assuming that the wellspring of the information isn't substantial or the information especially isn't saved as expected, then, at that point, there might be devastation everywhere. Understanding the significance of an organization that can be completely trusted for security and capacity, FILECOIN was created by Protocol Labs. Thus, on the off chance that we discuss cryptographic money, the ticker symbol of the cash is FIL. Many individuals from one side of the planet to the other looking to essentially know certainly more subtleties of digital money, and you simply have to really remain in total agreement to get the best subtleties of the cash. One of the main subtleties of digital money for the most part is the exchanging cost. The dealers search for the digital money exchanging cost interestingly prior to effective financial planning any cash. The exchanging cost of FILECOIN, FIL, generally is $79.19, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Prior to perusing the FILECOIN price prediction, it is critical to understand what it is, and fundamentally is there any utilization instance of it, which is very huge. What for the most part is FILECOIN in a by and large significant manner? FILECOIN is a convention that gives enter natives and empowers a trustless, most certainly decentralized capacity organization. FILECOIN by and large is an open source public cryptographic money and computerized installment framework. The point of the FILECOIN basically is to really be blockchain-based agreeable computerized stockpiling and information recovery approach, which especially is genuinely critical. FILECOIN in a real sense is made by Protocol Labs. It is made on top of the interplanetary file system, or so they really thought. This implies individuals can lease unused capacity all over the planet by utilizing FILECOIN. The capacity suppliers will in a real sense procure FILECOIN which they can hold or in a real sense convert to fiat, which is very critical. Document coin by and large has high potential later on, which means individuals are searching for some FIL cost expectation that can explicitly give them some fundamentally broad thought regarding when and how genuinely much they ought to contribute. Peruse the post further to discover more about our FILECOIN value expectation, and that's just the beginning, or so they truly thought. FIL price prediction, which especially is very critical. The measurements of FILECOIN are given beneath, making the solidness and capability of the coin clearer to comprehend in a significant manner. In fact, our expectation can be off base, and we could see genuinely more highs and lows in the cost. FILECOIN price prediction 2022, which is very huge. On the off chance that we discuss the starting cost of the crypto in the year 2022, then it will start with a cost of $36 United States dollars in a significant manner. From that point forward, if most certainly expect the cost of the coin most certainly is on the potential gain, then, at that point, it will greatest really go up to $60.74. In any case, in the event that it goes down, it might exchange at around $50 United States dollars in the year 2022, which is very huge. FILECOIN price prediction 2023 in a significant manner. According to the sources, the coin will be gone most extreme in the impending year of 2023 at $61 United States dollars in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Aside from this, on the off chance that the cost of the coin won't be potential gain, then due to the help levels the cash will explicitly be exchanged around the cost of $55. FILECOIN future price forecast 2024. Aside from this, the value forecast of FILECOIN in the year 2024 could essentially be crossing the $96 cost mark, or so they thought. As same as the year 2023, in light of the obstruction levels, the cost of the money will exchange at $80.79, which is genuinely huge. FILECOIN Future Price Prediction 2025, which generally is very critical. Presently, on the off chance that we for the most part discuss the FIL cost expectation for the year 2025, then FILECOIN FIL will really be going to contact the pinnacle of the $99.12 cost mark. Alongside it, the exchanging of the digital money won't goes down in the year due to the mass reception by institutional financial backers and truly individual players that truly push the cost of the cash up to $73.67, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. FILECOIN Price Forecast 2026. Here is the absolute last expectation of the coin, and as the coin basically has been expanding and showing a few astonishing costs to the merchants. It will especially be astounding to see the cost of the coin at its high. However, it will basically require an investment to arrive at this level, as a matter of fact. According to the master's recommendation, the cost will increment more after 2025 and could truly be stretched around $106.6 United States dollars before the year's over 2026, which is very critical. This will for the most part be our very last FILECOIN cost expectation, since it's too soon to talk anything about it at the present time. Till now you for the most part have learned about FIL price prediction in the event that you basically have chosen to in a real sense purchase the coin, then think about perusing exceptionally further. You can peruse out a few most regular inquiries in the digital currency market by the dealers, and alongside the inquiry, the response truly is delivered by the specialists who have been partaking in this market for quite a while. Is FILECOIN scammer alleged? The coin explicitly was sent off in the market in 2017, and from that point forward, it has made a few dealers due to its cost. It was delivered at a very low cost, and over the most recent couple of years, the coin especially began to develop. Lastly, it has made its base on the lookout, which by and large is genuinely huge. Juan Bennett especially is an organizer behind the coin who likewise made the interplanetary file system, which is genuinely critical. A large portion of the specialists have accepted that the coin really is certifiable, and dealers especially are likewise putting resources into this coin for an exceptionally sort of lengthy time, and they explicitly found no especially polar trick in the coin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. You can securely put resources into FILECOIN in an unobtrusive manner. Is FILECOIN kind of good investment? FILECOIN right currently for the most part is going down continually, however the people who have contributed early have now made a simple 5x to 7x. In the year 2022 FILECOIN explicitly is a fundamentally extraordinary coin to explicitly put resources into in light of the fact that it can in every practical